Bored? Got nothing to do? You want to be active while in Hong Kong? Let us take you to Hong Kong's Dragon Back Trail. Let's start at Shau Kei Wan bus terminus, which you can get there by bus or by MTR. Look for the stop of Bus 9 heading to Shek O. It should be easy to find since it is just at the side of the terminus where a lot of people line up. Make sure you go down at To Tei Wan bus stop, which is the 12th stop of Bus 9 from Shau Kei Wan. The travel time should be 15 to 20 minutes until you get to your destination. Once you get off from the bus, you should be able to see a signage pointing to the Hong Kong Trail Dragon's Back. At the entrance, there are some signs showing that the trail is also a mountain bike trail except on Sundays. During this hike, I was with my dad, Eds, Nikay, Vel, and Vil Channel. Going up, you'll be greeted with stairs, big rocks, and nice views. Remember to bring your phones with you or some cameras if you can. There are a lot of scenic areas where you can take a pause and take photos. Oh, and before I forget, remember to wear comfortable shoes to avoid blisters. From time to time, you'll see signages. Just follow the sign where you want to go. So for us, we're going to the Dragon's Back, so we just follow the signage that is pointing to the Dragon's Back. It may look like this. After a few meters and some stairs, you will be greeted with this view. And that means you're already at the Dragon's Back. Peeking over Shek O. At the right side of this view, there is a signage saying danger. Danger. Beyond the sign, this is what we'll see. And yes, it got very foggy after a few minutes we arrived there. After staying from that point, we decided to continue hiking. Along the Dragon's Back, you'll be greeted with some adventure. By the way, to those who don't know me yet, it's me, Kennex Abadia. If you've been here before and you're enjoying the movie, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Back to the hike. The average hiking time of this trail is around 4 hours and is about 8.5 kilometers far. According to Hong Kong Tourism Board, this trail is the last leg of the Hong Kong Trail and also widely hailed as one of the Hong Kong's best urban hikes. The Dragon's Back has a sightseeing platform near its peak that provides spectacular views of southern Hong Kong Island and its shoreline. This is the view from our left side, the Tai Tam.
And Eds. There's Eds. And the plastic girls again.
Guys, subscribe.
Even from this point, we still can see Shek O. And yes, there are more stairs, but you know, it is okay. After a few more steps, you'll be able to reach the summit. After the summit, you should arrive at the viewing point where you can see Stanley, Tai Tam, Lama Island, and so much more. But for today, we are a bit unlucky. So for now, let's just watch the panorama here. And yes, the fog got worse.
Just like from the horror movie right here.
And don't forget to take a rest and hydrate. Just a friendly reminder, when hiking, don't stay on your phone always and watch your step. Once you reach to this point, turn left. Or if you have somebody with you who knows the place, you can go straight ahead. Going straight will be a shortcut going to the park, where the path will get more challenging. So please proceed at your own risk. For this hike, we decided to turn left and took the easier path. At the intersection, there will be toilet available. And signages going to Big Wave Bay and to Titan Gap. Since we are going to Big Wave, we are going right. And this is the park that I mentioned earlier. You went straight from the danger sign, you should exit around this side. Yes, and we're gonna go right, just follow the signs.
Run.
We are heading to Tai Lung Wan. From this point, we can already hear the waves. And a few more meters, you should arrive to the village.